Welcome back to the Yummy Vibes. If you're craving a protein packed, crunchy snack that's totally oil free, this is for you. We are starting with plain boiled chickpeas, no oil, no salt. Strain them and pour some water over. This helps wash off any extra starch. After rinsing, you will notice the outer skin of the chickpeas start to loosen up. जो छिलका निकल रहा है, just remove that. It makes the texture smooth when roasted. Now take a bowl and add 1/4 cup tahini sauce. I am using homemade tahini here. If you want the recipe, the link is in the description, or you can use store bought as well. Now add half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon paprika powder and 1 teaspoon black sesame seeds, that is kale til. Give it a nice mix till smooth and combined. Now add your washed strained chickpeas into the tahini mix. Toss everything together until each chickpea is coated properly. It already smells good. It has a nutty, creamy and a full of flavor vibe. Take a baking tray and line it with foil. Grease it lightly with oil, use a brush to spread it well. Now spread the chickpeas on the foil in a single layer, don't overcrowd. We are baking these at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. This makes them super crispy from the outside and soft from the center. Once they are done, take out the tray. You will hear that crispy sound as soon as you move them. They've turned golden, crunchy and beautifully roasted. Top them with chaat masala, peri powder or any seasoning you love. Make it your own. And that's it. Your crispy tahini roasted chickpeas are ready. Perfect for snacking, lunchbox ideas or even as a salad topping. Healthy, protein rich and full of flavor. And the best part, no deep frying, no refined ingredients, just clean healthy snacking. This is the kind of snacking that actually feels good. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Yummy Vibes for more healthy twists and easy everyday recipes. See you in the next one.